Hello everyone, welcome to the Upfront. The Siddaramaiah-led Karnataka government recently approved a 15% hike in bus fares, sparking criticism from opposition parties, particularly the BJP. They have blamed the government's Shakti scheme, which offers free bus travel to women, arguing it places an unfair burden on men. However, is this criticism justified? Transport Minister Ramalinga Reddy has clarified that the fare hike is not due to the Shakti scheme. On the contrary, he stated that the scheme has benefited the department. The hike, according to him, is a result of rising diesel prices and the substantial debts left behind by the previous government. The opposition's argument that free travel for women burdens men lacks substance. Women, as integral members of families, contribute to the well-being of the entire household. Empowering women through schemes like Shakti creates social and economic benefits that extend beyond individuals to families and communities. It's important to remember that public transport services aim to provide accessibility rather than generate profit. While fare hikes may be necessary to address financial deficits, alternative measures could have been explored to minimize the impact on common people. Ironically, under the previous BJP government, when no such welfare schemes were in place, the transport corporations were still in financial distress. Criticizing the current government for giving and taking away overlooks the fact that the previous government focused only on taking without prioritizing the welfare of the underprivileged. The opposition's silence on the centre's policies such as high GST rates on essential items and stagnant fuel prices despite falling crude oil rates raises questions about their selective outrage. These policies indirectly impact state finances and contribute to the transport department's losses. The central government's reluctance to provide Karnataka its rightful share of tax revenues has further strained the state's resources. Opposition leaders must address these issues with the centre before criticizing the state government's decision. In conclusion, while the fare hike does burden citizens, it is essential to consider the broader context. The state government's welfare schemes aim to empower vulnerable sections of society, and their benefits cannot be measured solely in monetary terms. Any criticism of the hike should also acknowledge the centre's role in creating the circumstances that necessitated it. That's all for today. If you like the content we provide, please subscribe to the Upfront and press the bell icon to get notification of all our updates. Please share our videos and educate others. Thank you.